Today we're taking a look at the Airfix DH Comet, a kit that has a long history behind it. It was first released all the way back in 1958, but the box we have here is from 1998. Even though it's 4 decades newer than the original release, it still has that classic Airfix feel that makes these kits so charming. When we get to the plastic, one of the first things you'll notice is that the pilots are moulded directly onto the two fuselage halves. It's quite an unusual feature by today's standards and means there's very little detail to work with in the cockpit area. Despite the age of the tooling, the parts themselves haven't aged too badly. The edges are clean enough, though there's a little bit of flash around some areas. Moving on to the instructions, they're about as straightforward as it gets. Just 4 simple steps take you from start to finish, which makes sense when you see how few parts there are on this kit. And finally tucked away in the box is an Airfix Club pamphlet inviting you to join what it proudly calls the coolest club on the planet. A neat little bit of nostalgia, and a reminder of how Airfix has always worked to build a community around its kits. Well, that's the DH Comet, a small, simple kit with a lot of history packed into it. Would you build one of these today, or keep it sealed as a collector's piece? If you're enjoying these retro unboxings, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.